Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 3 best chargers for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 2023 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The newest folding flagship in town is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is paired with the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Unfortunately, despite being one of the most expensive phones available, a charger is not included in the box. Therefore, if you order the phone, you will also need to buy a charger. Depending on your use case, there are numerous solutions available because the Galaxy Z Fold 4 supports up to 25 watts rapid charging. I have prepared this video guide for the best chargers for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So let's get started. 3U Green Charger 65 watts. You can feel the urge to charge several gadgets at once in a few different situations. This is particularly true if you're traveling with several electronic devices, such as a laptop, smartwatch, headphones, phone, etc. Such a multi-port charger can be very beneficial in such a circumstance. A maximum of 65 watts can be output through each of the 3 USB Type-C ports on this U-Green GON charger. Therefore, you can use it to simultaneously charge your laptop and Galaxy Z Fold 4. The USB Type-A port can be used to charge low-wattage gadgets like a set of Bluetooth headphones. The purchase is wise for frequent travelers. 2Spigen 27 watts wall charger. Its small size makes this Spigen USB-C charger convenient to carry in your pocket. It has a larger output wattage of 27 watts, though, so your devices will charge more quickly. The maximum charge speed for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is 25 watts, however if you have other devices nearby, such as an iPad, they can benefit from the extra wattage to charge more quickly. Nothing about this Spigen adapter differs from others but the form factor. But bear in mind that some consumers have expressed concerns with the adapter becoming warm after extended use. However, it shouldn't influence charging speeds, so there is no need for concern. If you need to charge the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in addition to other devices like an iPhone or iPad, the Spigen charger will be useful to you. Additionally, the warranty is longer than Anker and Samsung's at 24 months. 1TechNet 45 watts Type-C wall charger. It might be a good idea to charge your Galaxy Z Fold 4 along with an additional device, such as a smartwatch or a set of headphones. A dual-port adapter can be useful in this situation. Your Galaxy Z Fold 4 can be charged at the same rate as other devices using the 30 watts output. The other USB-A connector has a 12 watts output power, which is more than enough to steadily charge a smartphone or accessories. The ability to utilize this GON chip-powered charger to charge your laptop while on the go is by far its greatest benefit. This portable adapter can also work well while using the USB-C port by itself because of its 45 watts output. It further underlines how it's a fantastic travel buddy by having collapsible prongs. So guys, this was the video about the best chargers for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.